stop me, it's my destiny. I do not worry about your mistakes. And even though I found you now, I need to hold you close.
Hey, what's going on, team? So I hope that you guys enjoyed that little live session. So as you guys can see, all my positions are closed. I have 0 shares open. I have $523 profit, so therefore hit my overall goal. As you guys can see, my position size is about $30,000. So to hit $523, I aim for about 1.25 to 1.35% a day. Again, a goal is something to work towards. Obviously not something that you hit every single day, but I've found this goal for myself in my experience to be something that is challenging enough that it's something for me to work towards, but something that I could also hit very consistent. Again, that's the most important part for me, that consistency aspect. One of the things that I want you guys to see is that it says 10 orders, and people get this confused very often. 10 orders does not mean 10 day trades. This is actually only 2 day trades. I bought, and then sold. I bought, and then sold. So again, 2 day trades, altogether $523 profit. Done trading for the day. I started at 7:34 and took my last trade at 8:44. So pretty much an hour and 10 minutes of trading. Again, every day is different. Not every day performs or plays out exactly according to plan, but just so you guys could see, we called out this reversal like clockwork when it came down to the opportunity that we saw on DGAS. DGAS was overall showing signs of a descending pattern. I announced it in our Learn Plan Profit group that as soon as this thing began to break above the middle VWAP, it was already indicating signs of an uptrend as natural gas was selling off. So I added to my position size, added to my position size, and added to my position size. And then when I saw there to be some form of a resistance and hit my daily goal, locked in profits again at 272.55. So altogether, very happy with how this played out. And it's 8:50. I get to enjoy the rest of the day and catch up on some work with the different things that we have going on. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, don't forget to drop a thumbs up if you guys learned something new. If you guys would like to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, I'm going to leave a little coupon down there for you. Of course, only if you're interested. It's going to be the first link down below. It's the Learn Plan Profit group, and it's literally the only group that gets to watch me trade live every single day. So if you like what you saw today, I think that you'll find the Learn Plan Profit team to be a good fit for you. Click the first link, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's something that you'd be interested in. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.